In this video, I'm going to show you how to view a private Instagram account completely for free. Now, this next method is something that I strongly suggest, and that is to basically open up Google and then type in the Instagram handle of the page that you're trying to view. And then you would need to go ahead and look underneath images, and sometimes you actually are able to see certain posts of that Instagram account underneath the image section on the Google results. Now, I actually personally did use this method before back in like high school and stuff like that, and it actually does work. It's simple and it gets the job done, and you're using tools that are widely accessible like Google. But unfortunately, this method is not going to work, especially if like the Instagram account you're trying to view is like very small and stuff like that. Maybe it doesn't have too many followers. It may not appear on like the Google search results, but if it's like a sizable following and there's like over 1,000 followers of that private Instagram account, then you most likely are able to find images on Google. Now, this next method is a little bit more elaborate, and it really goes down to a case-by-case situation, and that basically involves creating an entire new Instagram page, but make it in a way where it's natural to them. So for example, if this friend goes to like your school, for example, what I would recommend that you guys do is create like a homework service or like a meme page account or like a confessions page for your school, especially if you know what school they go to, and then you follow them and it makes sense that you're following them. So again, that is something that I recommend that you guys do. Try to make like a school meme page or like a school confessions page. Now, of course, this process is a little bit more easier if you know this individual on a personal level. So some key information to actually take note of is like what school they go to, what job they go to and stuff like that, what age group they are in, who are their friends and stuff like that, where are they located, what are their hobbies, interests, etc. Keep all of these factors into consideration, and you just want to be creative with it, and you don't want to be too pushy. You don't want to make it too obvious. So that's why I recommend just following a bunch of other people in their like sphere, for example. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.